Hello, in this video you will learn how to enable two-factor authentication on the Unitex Exchange. To do that, enter your account. In the pop-up window you will see the recommendation to enable two-factor authentication. You need it to safeguard yourself and your accounts on the exchange. If the pop-up window doesn't show when you log in, go to Profile Settings and click the button Enable next to the words Two-Factor Authentication. Click the button Enable in the pop-up window. Download on your smartphone the code-generating app Google Authenticator. You can do that by following the links in the description to this video. When the app is installed, enter the password to your wallet and click Start. On the next page, you need to save a special code, which will allow you to recover access to your account if you lose your phone with the installed Google Authenticator app linked to your wallet. Save the code in a secure place and click Next. On the next page, you need to scan the QR code using the app that you downloaded earlier. Enter Google Authenticator on your smartphone and click Start or Scan QR code. Point the camera at the QR code that you see on your computer screen. Set the camera in a way that the QR code would fully fit within the scanning frame on your phone. If you do everything correctly, the code will be scanned instantly. After that, you will see the generated code on your phone, which you have to enter in the input box on the Exchange page. Enter the code and click Enable 2FA. To complete the setup, click Proceed. Now go to your email box that you used when registering the account and open the message from Unitex. Confirm the activation of two-factor authentication. Great! Now your wallet is secure and only you will be able to access it. Next time you log in, you will have to enter both your account password and the code randomly generated by the application on your phone. Please note that this code changes every time and you need to enter the exact numbers that you see at that moment.